welcome back to Amethyst Adventures and happy Tablescape Tuesdays, our weekly open playlist hosted by the ladies of Elegance. That is myself and the Grace Life DIY home decor. Honey, for all you Tablescape girls, hold on to your wig because this estate sale is gag-worthy, honey. And make sure you watch all the way till the end so you can see what I haul. What can we do on this set, honey?
What was that?
What can we do on this set? There's no price there.
Let's see what it is.
It's a pretty little
I'm just doing the cups and saucers at $1 a set.
Okay.
So, yep. Do you want them?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, I wish that had the teapot. Now, I did see a full service over there, but $40.
Well, I can do 25 on that, and it's gorgeous. It's got the plates and the dinner plates. It's got bowls. It's got platters and serving bowls. It's gorgeous. I contemplated taking it home.
Hang on to that.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll
show you.
Still. Oh, the dinner plates are down here.
Yep. So that's
oh my God.
Yeah, this is just a sample. So you're gonna get a plate, sandwich plate, cup and saucer, and the serving platters, the coffee pot.
This is so gorgeous. And you said you could do 20 on it?
25. I can do 25. That's giving it away, really.
I'm just gonna go.
Okay. Yeah, 25. It's.
So So let me give you the skinny. The house was up for sale, and the lady that was holding the sale, her mom and great aunt, were collectors of dishware. They didn't do tablescapes, but they loved going to estate sales and rummage sales and garage sales and just collecting dishware. There was bin upon bin of all kinds of fabulous dishware, and I could have really gone off, but I had to hold myself in check and maintain my budget. But oh my God, everything was so beautiful. So here comes the haul right now. Okay, I just have to share with you the phenomenal haul. $5 for a set of 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 of these large dinner plates or chargers. Not sure which they are, but absolutely gorgeous for $5. Next, I have these set of canister sets in red. Look at those beautiful embellished tops in silver. $5 each. Are you seeing this? Are you getting it all, honey? Yes! Then for this red, beautiful, clear red dinnerware set, $1 a piece. Glasses as well. Look at that with the ball on the bottom. Beautiful red set, $1 each. And I got a set of 4 of each of those with the matching canister set. Then, this was the deal of the day. She had it marked for $40. I got this whole 8-piece, are you looking at this? Service for 8, honey. The kettle, the creamer, the sugar dish, 8 teacups and saucers, beautiful gold trimmed edge. Here's a serving bowl, a serving tray, service for 8. A complete full service for 8. And look at that beautiful pattern. Then I have 8 of the bowls, 8 of the sandwich plates, and then 8 teacups and saucers. The whole shebang for $50. You could not beat all of that with a bat. Look at the gold rim edge inside. Look at the gold trim. Beautiful, delicate purple flowers, and you know that is my signature color, honey. And then the red set is going to be gorgeous on a Christmas tablescape, and then this pink as well. So that is what everything that I got at the estate sale. Excuse my messy garage, but everything that I got here at the estate sale. Beautiful. And just so you know, I finally did pull out all of the Christmas bins and put away the fall stuff. So when you see the background of my house, fall is all put away and Christmas is out. And when I come back from my trip, I will start decorating from Christmas. I'm coming, Liz. I'm running late, girl, but I'm coming. All right, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.